Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to delete specific websites from Safari history on your iPhone. And to do this, all you have to do is actually just go to your settings. Then you're going to want to scroll down until you see Safari. So here it is. Go to Safari. Now here on Safari, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you're gonna click advanced. Also, you can actually clear the history and website data right here, but if you want to delete specific websites, you have to go to advanced. And after that, at the top, you can see website data. You're gonna click that, and now it's gonna load up all the websites you've been to, and to delete them, you can remove all the website data, or you can just for example, choose this one and you want to swipe it to the left and you will see the delete button right here. So just click on that and that's it. That's how you remove website data from your Safari history. And yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.